18th century, Romanticism was more than just an art movement. It is a passionate response against Enlightenment. Romanticism is defined by its deep connection to nature, vivid imagination, intense emotions, and the celebration of individualism. It gives rise to some of history's most renowned artists whose works continues to inspire generations. Romanticism thrives on drama, rich colors, and movement. Artists explored oil on canvas, chiaroscuro, impasto, and watercolor, while poetry, music, and sculpture echoed its emotional depth. Romanticism never ended. It lives in every stroke, every story, every soul that dares to fail. Discover your romanticism story.